A lot of you have requested a video on how to apply to Stanford University in case you are expressing interest in knight-Hennessy scholarship, which I have made a video on. Okay, so this video is in 3 parts: part 1, part 2, part 3, and the reason being I don't want to make the videos very long, so we have a maximum of 10 minutes per video. Okay, so if you want to know how to create an account, how to find a program, and how to submit a complete application to Stanford University, then this is the video for you. Look at this first part and the subsequent part. Okay, so if this is something that interests you, watch this video till the end. Let's get into it. Now this is how my name will appear. If I want to change that, you can click on this, change my display. If you don't want, just leave it. I waive the right to access this report. So whatever they are going to write, I don't want to see it. And you always have to do this for integrity purpose. Then you click on this one, and you enter your name. Upon sending to your command, you will no longer be able to change. Then I will send. Okay. Now my recommender is going to receive this email from Stanford. Okay. We are under recommendation. So let's go to statements. Now under statements, you have to upload a document here. Read everything here. Describe here your reasons for applying to the proposed program at Stanford, preparation for the field. Understand this one. Once you are done, you click on, so you have to write it somewhere, okay, and turn it to a PDF. Then you upload it here. Okay, so I am just putting anything here as a demonstration. Enriching the learning community, Stanford. Now your statement should not exceed 500. Everything here, you are going to write again something here, okay? So what I will do, I will just copy something from one of my posts. This is Control-C, and I'm going to paste it on this, Control-V. Okay, that is it. Then I will continue. I can just finish this one. Program supplements. Academic interest 1. So this, they are telling me they have different areas. So my first one, academic interest. So in my area, let me find first structural mechanics. Yes, this is the first one. Academics based on your priorities. Then the next one, maybe I would say geotechnical engineering or construction, in fact. So anyways, where am I? Then you can come to this computational, no, coastal engineering. I'm not interested. Earthquake engineering. Anyways, I'm just putting. Briefly comment on your primary motivation for seeking a credit programs at this. What is your primary motivation? Okay, as related to your career ambition. Understand that. So now, because I don't want to leave any space empty, I'll come to this, Control-C, and just paste. This is something you should write. Okay. Understand, then you come to the given the opportunity. What topic will you most likely to explore through independent or research? Now, if you have to do, even if you don't have to do research, but I have to think of something, okay? Now I'll write it, I'll write about it there. I'll just put the same thing here. I'm just trying to fill this one. Describe actively academic, describe some activity, or academic or not, you participated in that involved independent inquiry or initiative. Example, an independent research project or a curriculum activity that you plan and executed. What did you learn from it? Okay, you can read about that and I'm just feeling. Describe a situation in which you experienced a failure or situation in which you believe your beliefs were challenged. How did you handle the situation? Think of this very well. Then, because these essays are very important, even in terms of your scholarship here and as well as your admission. Okay, will you like to apply for financial aid from the civil engineering department? If you wish to be considered for the CE department and merit-based financial aid, you must select yes. I will select yes, of course. Do you have any academic teaching experience? Yes, I have. I'll click on it. Briefly describe your teaching experience. So I'll just paste the same thing here, but this should not be the same. I will describe it, okay, if I was to do this application. Okay, additional information, we are almost done. Are you applying to the Graduate School of Business or Medicine or this for? No, I am not. Prior or current Stanford affiliation. Have you ever been enrolled in an undergraduate program at Stanford? No, Have you previously applied for admission to graduate, undergraduate? No. Do you have any prior or current affiliation or click so no? If you are willing to do so, other graduate programs, if you are willing to do so, please consider listing other institutions to which you are applying for graduate studies. So this is basically saying if you plan, like if you apply to different programs, so I would say maybe Carnegie Mellon, something like this. If you have or if you don't, just forget about it. Okay. I don't think so. That is going to affect you. Okay. Now, once that is done, award, if applicable, list a non-Stanford scholarship or fellowship for which you have applied that you provide funding for the graduate program you have been selected. No, I don't have external funding. If I don't have, you leave it. Additional information. You must use this to provide additional information was not covered by any of the questions. So I'll still write, make sure don't leave this one because it's optional. Write something that is unique about you or any other thing. Then I'll click on next. Okay. This is good. It takes time. Agreement and this, you need everything here. You need everything. Now, in place of your signature, you put your full name. So I'll put this one. Then you confirm. The next thing is just for you to submit. We dictated some personal information, address, permanent address, recommendation 3. Okay, that means this should be 3. Recommendation letters and personal, this background. Once you rectify, okay, let's go to personal background. Yeah, let's change that one. Permanent address. So you have to click the permanent address. For this type, you click a permanent address. If you are an independent applicant, you must list a non-US permanent address that is not a post office. Okay, so US again, I will still click on this same address. Yeah, this has to be APT A12. Okay, yes. So now I'll save this one. And now, if you go under recommendation, now all you have to do is just to add the remaining 2. Okay, if you are done, it should be able. So let's go to review. It will still tell me the same thing for recommendation letter. But if you are done, it should be able to see submit here. Okay, it should be able to see submit. I really don't want to do this, guys, because I think, okay, let's say Mr. This, I'm just putting anything here. Okay. As you can see, I'm just putting anything because supervisor. The only problem is the email. And this phone, I'll just put 23276438765. That is the problem with these people now. I think everybody should be in this country. So, okay. So the email, now I'm going to put this, my email, reason for, okay. This one, if I can leave this one blank, change, no, I don't want. Click on this one, then this, I'll put this and send to the recommender. Okay. Now, one more. Oh my God, miss. So you say, as you can see, this is the output. Organization, KHS, title, head, mistress, relationship, former, lecturer, telephone, +232455367. This people. Okay, this should be 7 8. Yeah. Now the email, I will now put Madi Kamara. Okay, so this one now I need to put Madi Giro Live for 2023. It's come. Now I will leave this one again blank for this time. Then I'll wave. Now click on this one and send to a recommender. Okay, look at it. So now everything is complete. Go now to review and everything is fine. Okay, as you can see, you view your application. You preview in a PDF, you see everything. Okay, submit, application fee, member, all of this, submit and pay. Now you don't have to pay because for me, okay, you have to check first whether you meet the criteria for the application fee waiver. Okay, if not, you can still send them an email. So that is it, and you click on this. So I will just click on save for later, or I'll just leave it. Okay, guys. So that is it. I know this video is very long, but I'm sure this is helpful. Okay, see you guys in my next video. If you have any questions, drop them on the comment section. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, okay, and share. Then again, hit on the bell notification so that once I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. See you guys. Bye bye. Until next time, stay with my Digital Life Abroad channel.